So,
well, a lot of people make a lot of money outside of real estate, and then, you know, they want to put their money to work, but it's an entire different skill set that they don't know.
it is a different skill set, but in my opinion, and there's a lot of people that have made a lot of money in the stock market, a lot. There's also a whole lot of people, 100 times more people that have lost their money in the stock market. You know, for me, I have made good money in the stock market. I've also lost money in the stock market, but I've made way more than I've ever lost. But that's because I personally took care of my own investments when I made money. When I put it in with somebody else managing my investments, then it would grow at 8%, 6%, 5%. You know, it didn't grow at any huge percentage, and then all the fees that came along with that ate up my profits. So I just didn't like that. I didn't like that aspect of it. I didn't like that thought. And so I got out of the stock market, and I don't invest in the stock market, none whatsoever. I invest in real estate. When I invest in my real estate gives me cash flow. My real estate gives me appreciation. I get depreciation on my taxes, and then I get principal reduction on anything I got notes on. So I got 4 different methods I can make money with that real estate, and it's the same piece of property. But I can make money 4 different ways. I mean, it's nothing at all for me to make 30% return on investment a year, 50% return on investment. A lot of y'all hear me talk a lot about I'm an infinite investor. I love infinite investing, and that means, look at that. That's water tower.